there, I'm Keiko Dickens, and I'm one of the senior drum majors of the Spirit of Great Oak, and we're going to be going over a tutorial of the band website. So the band website is www.spiritofgreatoak.com, and this is our homepage. So the first thing you're going to want to do is register, which is the upper left rectangular blue button. So you're going to click on this, and it's going to bring you to a Google form. And this Google form has all of the exact dates and times of the marching band and guard and jazz ensemble audition times. So you're going to go through this entire form and fill out, and then we have our important dates such as June camps and football games for next season. And then you're going to fill out things like your name, your email address, the grade you're going to be, what class you're in and what grade you're in right now, and then what ensembles you can audition for, and you're going to want to click concert band if you're interested in that for the second semester. Then you're going to keep going down and then click what instrument you're going to be playing for the marching band. And then here are the places where you can upload your audition videos. All right. And here's some parent information. And so make sure you fill out everything and submit. So we're going to go back to the website. And when you scroll down on the home page, there are a couple buttons that will come in handy. One of them is a recording of the Great Oak fight song. So when you click on that, it'll pop up as a downloaded file, and then you can play it. And so with this recording, you can practice with it and then make sure you've got it down just like the band. All right, thank you guys.